Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and as promised, I said I'd make part two. This time, and if you didn't watch part one, you're going to be a little lost. We're making this chain, but we're making it realistic looking, and it really looks good. So this is prior to contouring and making the gap. And just kind of tell you what we're doing, we have these two pieces, and if we, I'm kind of backing up here, but Control G and group it together. If we rotate them like they are now, you can't see a gap. Well, if you ever do that, you can Control D and then go back to 0. You can't see a gap. So that's why we put a space in between them. But here, before you do anything, I'm just backing up. Open up, you don't need your contour docker anymore. You need your, yeah, I do too. Effects, contour, and we're gonna take this, and it is something larger than a hairline. We've got our set on light gray. We're gonna contour it to the center, 0.001. Do the same thing to the second one. I'm gonna group these together, Control G, and move the center rotation to the center. If it doesn't look like it is, double click. Now we're gonna open up the transformation docker. We've still got our 15 degrees, 23 times. And look at this, close up. It actually looks like it goes, it actually looks like it's dented into it. But it's really cool. This would, I don't know how, it would be in color. You know, if we did this in color, it would look really good. I mainly do stuff for engravers. Let's just try see what it looks like in color. Let's make our outline a blue, and let's contour it into a let's make the outside a darker blue. Darker blue as we can get it. And then contour to the inside a real light blue. You can see I don't do much with colors. There's a pretty light blue. You could even go more than that. But that doesn't look half bad. Let's see what it looks like close up. Doesn't look half bad, so group that together, Control G. We still got our, are you proud of me? I didn't close my transformation docker. I normally close everything. Move the center of the center. A lot of times when you do that and it does not, it's because I am grouped them together, Control G. A lot of times when you move your center rotation and it doesn't stick, it's because of that. That would look pretty cool printed. I would pick a different, darker color, a darker blue, maybe even, y'all bear with me and you can quit watching at any time. Let's back up. Let's make the outline black and then contour it to a yellow. No, I filled in the yellow. I need to contour to the, let's contour to the yellow. Wow, that might work. That might look cool. Control G to group it together. Control D, which we don't need, and that would cause you problems to get it. A lot of times if you do that, you need to make sure you double click on the rotation and then double click again to make sure you're there. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.